Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view credits Amazon offers. This is particularly useful if you've earned promotional credits through no rush shipping or other rewards programs and want to check your balance before making a purchase. Amazon sometimes provides promotional credits as rewards for different activities, such as choosing slower shipping options, participating in special promotions, or using certain Amazon services. Checking these credits before shopping can help you make sure you're not missing out on available savings. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next step. Remember that these credits are connected to your Amazon account, so you need to use the same account where you earn the rewards. If you have multiple Amazon accounts, make sure you're signed into the correct one. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. The Accounts section contains different settings related to your orders, payments, subscriptions, and rewards. This is where Amazon places many tools that help you manage your shopping experience. Once you're on the account page, scroll down through the different sections until you locate No Rush Rewards Summary. This option might be nestled among other account features, so take your time scanning through the page. When you find it, click on it to open your rewards overview. The location of this option may vary slightly, depending on your account type or Amazon updates, but the rewards section is usually found within your account settings area. You'll now see your total rewards or credit balances displayed on the screen. This summary includes all available promotional credits, such as video credits, ebook credits, and any other rewards you've accumulated. The page consolidates everything in one convenient location, making it easy to track what's available to you. Having all your credits displayed together saves time because you don't need to search through different sections of Amazon to find individual rewards. This is especially helpful if you regularly use Amazon services or participate in promotions. Here's what makes this particularly helpful. These credits apply automatically at checkout when you purchase eligible items. You don't need to manually enter codes or activate them separately. Amazon will recognize your available credits and apply them to qualifying purchases, which means you can shop knowing exactly what promotional balance you have waiting to be used. For example, if Amazon gives you a promotional credit for selecting no rush shipping, that credit may automatically appear during checkout when you purchase an eligible item. You simply need to make sure the credit is available and that your purchase qualifies. This direct path works seamlessly on desktop browsers as of 2026 and gives you a comprehensive view of all your credits in one spot, eliminating the need to search through multiple pages or settings. Checking your credits regularly is a good habit because some promotional rewards may have expiration dates or specific usage conditions. Reviewing your balance before shopping helps you get the most value from your available Amazon rewards. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.